Hi dinos, thanks again for joining me for another episode of Shapes of Sharky Shark. Just remember, there's a link below to print out your worksheets. I was on that website again, climatekids.nasa.gov, and asked, does what we do matter to the Earth? Earth's fate is actually in our hands, kids. Everything that happens here affects something over there. Earth has its own control system: the oceans, the land, the air, the planets, and animals, and the energy from the sun all affect each other to make everything work in harmony. Nothing changes in one place without changing something in another place. The overall effect gives us our global climate. Now onto the shape worksheet. First, choose your favorite color and let's write our names. Now let's read the instructions. Connect the dots, then color in the hidden shape. First is asking us to connect the dots, so we'll start at 1. Now choose your favorite color. Any color you like. I chose blue. Let's start at 1, 2, then connect to 3, then connect to 4, then connect to the end. Great job! Connect the dots. That's what we did. Then color in the hidden shape, which is a rectangle. Now let's color in the shape. What color did you choose? I like that color. Now color in the arms and the legs, any color you like. I'm going to color little rectangles in the back, brown ones. What are you going to color it? Nice. And for the rest of the background, I'm going to color it yellow, so everything pops out. Great job! Now, how many sides form a rectangle? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job! Let's write in the number 4. Whoa, that's awesome! But do you know what's more awesome? Is that you join me every Friday for a new lesson. I can't wait to see you next week. Bye!
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!